What if a war could be decided before the first missile is ever launched? What if one force could see the enemy before being seen, strike from thousands of miles away, and disappear without leaving a trace? This is not a future prediction or a movie scene. This is the reality of how the United States Air Force operates today.
The United States Air Force is widely recognized as the most powerful and unstoppable air force in the world. Not because of a single aircraft or weapon, but because of a complete system designed for total air dominance. From advanced technology and elite pilots to global reach and unmatched logistics, the U.S. Air Force controls the skies in a way no other nation can match. At the heart of its power is the largest and most advanced aircraft fleet in human history. The U.S. Air Force operates thousands of aircraft, ranging from stealth fighters and strategic bombers to surveillance planes and unmanned drones. Aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II represent the peak of modern air combat. Beyond fighters, the U.S. Air Force's strategic bombers give it a level of power that is truly global. Stealth bombers such as the B-2 Spirit and the next-generation B-21 Raider can fly across continents, penetrate heavily defended airspace, and deliver devastating strikes. These aircraft are capable of launching missions from the United States, striking targets anywhere in the world, and returning safely. No other air force possesses this level of long-range precision and survivability. One of the most important advantages of the U.S. Air Force is its ability to strike anywhere at any time. Through an enormous network of air bases, aerial refueling tankers, and global logistics, the U.S. Air Force does not depend on nearby territory to project power. Tanker aircraft allow fighters and bombers to remain airborne for extended periods, giving commanders unmatched flexibility. This means the U.S. Air Force can respond to crises faster than any other military force on Earth. Technology is another key reason behind its dominance. Modern warfare is no longer just about speed and firepower, but about information. The U.S. Air Force leads the world in satellite surveillance, electronic warfare, cyber operations, and artificial intelligence. Its aircraft, drones, and satellites are all connected through advanced data networks that provide real-time battlefield awareness. This allows commanders to see the entire battlefield, identify threats instantly, and make decisions faster than the enemy can react. In many cases, battles are won before the first shot is fired. Unmanned systems also play a major role in the Air Force's strength. Advanced drones conduct surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions without risking pilot lives. These systems can remain in the air for long periods, quietly monitoring enemy movements and providing critical intelligence. As drone and AI technology continues to advance, the U.S. Air Force is already preparing for the next generation of autonomous warfare. However, technology alone does not make an Air Force unstoppable. The true strength of the U.S. Air Force lies in its people. U.S. Air Force pilots and crews are among the most highly trained in the world. They undergo years of intense training, including realistic combat simulations and large-scale joint exercises with other branches of the military. This training ensures that when real conflict occurs, U.S. pilots are calm, confident, and prepared for any situation. Many pilots log far more flight hours than their counterparts in other countries, giving them a critical edge in experience and skill. Another major factor is funding and continuous innovation. The U.S. Air Force operates with a budget larger than the entire military spending of many nations. This allows for constant research, development, and modernization. Secret programs, experimental aircraft, and next-generation weapons are always in development, often years ahead of what the public sees. What appears revolutionary today may already be outdated behind closed doors. The U.S. Air Force is also deeply integrated with other branches of the U.S. military. It works closely with the Navy, Army, Space Force, and allied nations to create a unified warfighting system. This coordination ensures that air power supports ground forces, naval operations, and space-based missions seamlessly. The result is a level of cooperation and efficiency that few militaries can achieve.
Perhaps the most powerful aspect of the U.S. Air Force is its ability to prevent wars before they begin. Its presence alone can deter aggression, protect allies, and maintain global stability. When U.S. Air Force aircraft patrol the skies, they send a clear message of strength and readiness. Many conflicts are avoided simply because no enemy wants to challenge such overwhelming power. In the modern world, control of the air means control of the battlefield. The United States Air Force has mastered this reality better than any force in history. It does not rely on one weapon, one aircraft, or one strategy. Instead, it combines technology, training, intelligence, and global reach into a single, unstoppable system. So the next time you look up and see a silent aircraft passing high above, remember that it represents more than just a machine. It represents decades of innovation, unmatched skill, and absolute air dominance. This is why the U.S. Air Force is not just the most powerful air force in the world, but a force that continues to shape the balance of global power itself.